Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by getting devices aligned. Make sure your Roku and your phone or PC are on the same Wi-Fi network because that lets them talk. Once done, enable screen mirroring or AirPlay on the Roku. This opens a receiver channel. Then open Chrome on your source device and load the page or tab you want to show. You do this now so the next steps are quick. Having content ready prevents delays and failed connections when you initiate the cast. You now initiate the cast from Chrome. Click the three-dot menu, choose Cast, and wait for your Roku to appear. This discovers the device via the local network. Next, select whether to cast the current tab or your entire desktop. Choose Desktop for full-screen video or Tab for audio and focused content. Make sure to set quality preferences in Chrome if available, since higher bitrate improves video. If performance lags, choose lower quality. Finish by checking that audio routes to the TV and the video is full screen. Use Roku Remote to adjust display if needed. If playback stutters, make sure Wi-Fi has signal and lower Chrome's cast quality, or restart the Roku and your source device to clear transient network issues. As a fallback, consider a wired HDMI adapter from your device or use Roku's built-in browser. This alternate path helps when mirroring fails. One key troubleshooting tip: restart network gear if discovery stops.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.